Hey guys, so let's say over the last couple of days or weeks, you've noticed a significant drop in a certain KPI that you might be monitoring. So it may be your impressions, it could be the number of conversions, your click-through rate's gone down, your conversion rate's gone down, the number of clicks has gone down, and you just don't know what it is, and it's driving you crazy. It very well could be something that you added or did to the campaign. And so something that Google allows you to do is go through your change history to search that out and potentially rectify and reverse that. So what you can do is you can, along the left-hand side of your screen, navigate down to change history, which is the second to last option. And you can actually go look at your change history and see if anything has changed. So let's say you're looking at the number of impressions and you want to know why the number of impressions has gone down so much. So let's look at, so you can change what you're looking at here by impressions, and you can also add a second second element that you might be looking at. And you've noticed, let's say, a significant drop in one direction or another. So let's say our impressions were going, and it went up and then it went down. And so like right here is where we might want to be looking at, which is in the middle of March, or the latter half of March. And so what we could do is we could come in here, narrow our search down to just March, exclude all of April, and we can see, boom, a drastic drop in March. Then you can adjust it by daily, and you can see if anything's changed. In this case, nothing really has changed, but it's just something that you can use to be able to identify what might have gone wrong with your account. And let's say we added a negative keyword. Excuse me. And so what we could do is we could come through here. So you can see here we added a negative keyword. In this particular case, it was humidifier. Now we can't undo it here, but now we have identified the keyword and we can go and remove it. Or let's say we added an ad schedule and changed that. Well, we can undo that if we want to. And so you can always undo, you can't always undo, but you can always come back to your change history and try and identify what has changed, what was been added or excluded with the campaign that has created such a drop in your campaign performance. Hopefully this helps, and if you guys have any comments, feel free to drop one below.